Thursday. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do want to remind you guys today is the 27th, so we do have our Luxury Divas and Thrift a Bag 4th of July giveaways ending on the 28th and the 29th. So just a couple days left, so definitely enter if you have not. The links will be down below. So again, I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you. We do all kinds of great unboxings, live streams, spoiler videos, giveaways, all kinds of fun stuff. And speaking of giveaways, as soon as that Jeffree Star palette comes in, we will have our 3K giveaway. I have everything else, just waiting on the Jeffree Star palette. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hang around, watch some videos, and enjoy our channel. We would love to have you. So as you can see from the title down below, I am so excited because one of my favorite subscriptions arrived, and that is the July 2019 UpBox. That's right, you guys, July, it's already here, and I cannot wait to dive in and see what this box has in store for us for July. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this box before we get into it in case you are not familiar. It's encouragement in a box. It is a captivating Christian-themed subscription box to empower women, and it has 10 to 12 thoughtfully curated lifestyle items. You can have candles, bath products, jewelry. I mean, it's been all over the spectrum. Every single thing in these boxes is absolutely amazing. And how they come up with these themes and make these boxes not only amazing as far as the products that you have, but how gorgeous the boxes themselves are, to me, just blows my mind. There's always a theme, but there's a color theme as well. And the way they pay attention to detail, every little detail, just blows my mind. And you know that they truly do love what they're doing. And I think that that is so important, and it's just amazing to see. And this is truly one of my favorite subscriptions, and I have never been disappointed with this box. I do want to say thank you so very, very much to UpBox for sending this to me for review. I do greatly appreciate it, more than you know. And now, this subscription does start at $39.95 a month. Now, I do have a code, which I will put down below, which is UpBox50. That will get you 50% off your first month. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to show you this. You need to snag this July box if you like it, because they sell out every month. The June box was phenomenal. The May box, phenomenal. I am sure that this is going to be just as phenomenal. So again, I will put a link and that code down below, so definitely head over, check them out, grab one if you are interested, use that code, save 50%. But it is just amazing, you guys. I wrote some notes down just to make sure I would not forget anything, even though I have unboxed this several times. And I do want to tell you, it does also come with a 5x7 poster with the theme of the month. And then there are always included some little mini scripture cards. And I love that they include the scripture cards with little envelopes so you can pass one along. So I just think that this box and the way it is curated every single month and put together is just, again, absolutely amazing and breathtaking. So I can't wait to get in here. I love the box itself. It does come in an outer box, and then I just take it out. But I mean, even just the box, the words, you know, dream, sparkle, relax, breathe, compassion, overcome, health, listen, sparkle, strength, love, celebrate, kindness, beautiful. It's just amazing. So let's get in here and see what we've got for July 2019. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I do not know that this is a pineapple theme, or not pineapple theme, but the theme there are pineapples, because obviously I do follow them on Instagram, and I saw that, which I'm super excited about because I love pineapples. I mean, taste-wise, I love pineapples, but I think pineapples are beautiful as far as decor, and just some things with pineapples when it comes to decor and sayings that I've seen. I love pineapples, so I can't wait to see exactly what they did. So let's open it up. Oh my goodness. This is what I was talking about with the colors. So already on top, you see we have some yellow squigglies. And then we have my favorite color, some teal little pineapple, like confetti. Oh my gosh, they do the best job. So we are going to move these squigglies. So the theme for July 2019 is Be Sweet. And kind words are sweet to the soul. Proverbs 16:24. So I think that is so true and so fitting. I just love that. I mean, you never know what someone is going through and what a kind word could do. So always be kind. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have more yellow squigglies, but we also, right here on top, you guys, have this cute, because the theme is Be Sweet. Sweet! In teal. How cute is that? And alright, let's move some of those. And then we have our card here. Be Sweet. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. The teal, the pineapples. Ah! Welcome to your Be Sweet box. This UpBox was created to remind us all just how powerful and impactful our words can be. We filled this box with intentional, trendy lifestyle accessories that sweetly complement the modern Christian. So, yes. So, yay! Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. And this is one thing I think every month they do that is so cute. I don't know where they get these, but they're adorable. They're these like little paper rose flowers, and they put them inside the box, kind of along the sides, and just they just take such extra time, and like I said, the attention to detail. Something smells amazing. Sorry. Okay, so sometimes I can get super, super excited and chatty with these videos, so I'm going to try to do my best to not have you here for like 25 minutes. So, but they fill these boxes full, y'all. They jam them. All right, so let's just get to unboxing and get to going. So the first thing I'm seeing looks like a sticker. Oh my gosh, and this is one of my favorite quotes, especially when it comes to pineapples. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's a sticker, and you see it looks, obviously you have the green, and then down here the yellow to look like a pineapple, but it is words, and it says, be like a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. That is one of my absolute all-time favorite quotes. You guys, I am so tickled right now. Like, that is amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yay! Oh, I can't wait now. I was so excited before, but now I'm like even more excited. Okay, so let me get some of these squigglies out of the way so we can get in here. Oh my gosh, something smells. I'm having all the feels and all the smells. Okay. Alright, so I see something here. We have pineapple banana soap. That smells good. That smells really good. Alright. And then we have Bathing Couture pineapple 5-ounce whipped soap. Oh my gosh. I bet that smells amazing. It's safety sealed. I don't want to open it. I can't smell anything, but I guarantee you it smells amazing. And whipped soap it's just fun. All right, so then we have, what are you? True North headbands for a non-slip fit. Wear part way down your forehead. Machine wash hand. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so it's like, I was wondering because it's like smaller back here and then bigger, but it's like a pineapple headband to hold your hair back. And it feels nice. That's really soft, and you've got the palm leaves. Love it. Okay, and then let's see. Where are our cards? Is this our cards? Right here. So we have our scripture cards right here. They say, be sweet. They do have the envelopes with them. There are always two. So outside of the card. And then inside, again, kind words are sweet to the soul, Proverbs 16:24. So you could write a little message in there if you needed to someone, or just, you know, like I said, be kind, say kind things. And if you see someone that you think needs a kind word, you can hand them that card and just say, have a good day. Just be nice. So let's move right along. And then what do we, top knot favors. Right here. If I can figure out how to open that. Okay. Oh, this is so cute, and this takes me back to like middle school. I love this. It is a scrunchie, y'all, a pineapple scrunchie. Like, I remember in middle school, like, you would wear these on your wrist, like, not even like in your hair, on your wrist. Like that and the bongo jeans. You had like every color. But I am actually really excited. I think this is fun, especially for summertime. As you can see, I have my hair pulled back today because North Carolina is brutal this time of year. So I think this is so cute, and I'm so excited to have that. All right. So you can't open this and not have a smile on your face. Then, let's see. We have something here from Natural Life. Now, we got quite a few products last month from Natural Life, and I really did enjoy it. This is a fold-up shopping bag. Oh, I love stuff like this. And it's got, like, you could attach it to your keychain if you wanted to. I love things like this, and the fact that it's got little pineapples on it. Let me just take that off. Live a pineapple life. Stand tall, be sweet on the inside, wear a crown. I'm loving this. I'm not going to take this out because I don't want to take up, like I said, too much of your time. You guys can kind of see the shape there. So it is just a reusable shopping tote, which is awesome. I love that it folds up and you could attach it to your purse or whatever you needed to. It's amazing. I love the saying, of course. Like I said, that is one of my all-time favorite sayings. Let's see. Then we have from Fanfaria, I'm sorry. Oh, this is beautiful. Look, you guys. That is gorgeous. So beautiful. I like that it's one of the adjustable, like you can adjust yourself. So pretty. I love that. All right. And then we have, what are you? You're awfully big. Let's see. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay. So we have an Aloha teal green with a pineapple, gold pineapple hat. I do like how it has the back here where you want, if you want to put a ponytail through there, you could. That is so cute. Aloha. Perfect for summer, you guys. And again, it's the teal with gold, like yellow and pineapples. I don't know how they do this. I really seriously don't. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have something here in a box. I'm going to set that right there. And then, what? It's like the box that never ends. It is always amazing. I see something here I'm really excited about. So here we have a 50 sheet notepad, and it is magnetic. I love that. I will put these on like the side of my refrigerator. I love notepads in general. This one says, "Hello, sunshine." So pretty. And then we've got what I'm thinking maybe a pen. At least that's what it feels like. It was right there with the notepad. Let's see. Maybe. Oh, it is. And it's yellow and says, "Hello, sunshine." So it is just a regular click pen. Awesome. I love that they match. That is so cute. Okay, so we have that. Then we have, what is this? Modern care for the laundry you love. Pineapple Grove sweet on the inside. What are you? Clean all the laundry you love with this rinse-free, environmentally friendly formulation. It's perfect for washing your laciest lingerie, softest sweaters, swimwear, handmade quilts, even baby clothes. Show your laundry and the planet some love. Hand wash, 1 teaspoon, 1 gallon. Oh. Okay, so it's like a little sample of some Pineapple Grove laundry detergent. And you can hand wash, but it does also say that it is safe for machines. That is awesome. Yay. And then here we have one more of the scripture cards. And then we have one final item here in this box. So let's see what this is. Oh, that's cute. They took the time to put a little pineapple in there. Is this some kind of little trinket tray or something? I think it is. Does it say where it's from? It does. I don't see there where it's from. Maybe it'll be on back. It's from Natural Life. Oh my gosh. It matches the bag here from Natural Life that says, "Live a pineapple life, be sweet on the inside, stand tall, and wear a crown." I don't know if you guys can you see that? That is so cute, but you see it matches here. Oh my gosh, I love this. And it is glass. Oh my goodness. You guys, I seriously think this probably is like my favorite month ever. And that's really hard to say because every month with UpBox is phenomenal. So, again, $39.95. You can prepay and get cheaper monthly cost if you want to. But again, I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out, as well as that coupon code to save you 50% off UpBox 50. You guys, go check them out. And if you like what you see here, go ahead and purchase it because I'm telling you guys, they sell out fast every single month. So thank you again, UpBox, for sending this to me to review. I do greatly appreciate it, more, like I said, than you will ever know. I do love working with you guys. You are phenomenal. Your boxes are phenomenal. I just can't say enough great things. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you with the next one. Bye.